The Vatican did not defrock a priest accused of sexually abusing up to 200 hearing-impaired boys in the United States. Arthur Budzinski said he was sexually abused by the man who the church allowed to serve in the way of God. Budzinski was given $80,000, but he will not stop telling his story.
He hopes they do something. I believe somebody should be punished for this. His innocence was stolen from him. His childhood he was very depressed. He was not happy. He couldn't enjoy his childhood. Everything was stolen from him, and now he's 61 years old and he's still fighting for this.
Meanwhile, U.S. victims of sexual abuse by priests have been taken away by police as they demonstrated outside the Vatican and called for an end to the secrecy surrounding pedophilia in the clergy.
What are they doing moving criminal evidence about children being raped in Milwaukee, Wisconsin? In Milwaukee, Wisconsin, bringing it over here, not calling the police, not alerting the authorities, and then telling the bishops in Milwaukee, this man's going to die a priest. And in fact, he did die a priest. Father Murphy died in his vestments in an open casket.
The protesters were put into unmarked police cars and driven away. Pope Benedict spoke at a youth rally in St. Peter's Square the same day the victims demanded he open up files on pedophile Catholic clerics worldwide and immediately defrock all predator priests. However, his speech was more about mercy than justice.
La strada della vita, l'arte della vita ci sono indicate nella parola di Dio e ci aiutano di non cadere, diciamo, nell'abisso della droga, dell'alcol, della schiavitù della sessualità, della schiavitù del denaro, della pigrizia.
The controversy comes scathingly close to the Pope himself, as victims groups demand to know how he handled sex abuse cases before his election in 2005. Unum Muneer, Dawn News.